Hey YouTube, how's it going? Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be talking about getting from Suvarnabhumi airport over to downtown Bangkok. So we're going to go over a few different ways. Private car, we're going to go over ride hailing like Bolt. We're going to go through taking a taxi. At the end we'll take a ride on the airport link, and I'll show you a bonus tip at UNOTTHAI station that will save you some time and some headaches. So stick around for that one, you don't want to miss it. Let's get into it.
You're not Thai? Here we are at the airport. We'll be on the second floor, and that's where we'll start our discussion. The first type of transportation that I want to talk about is private car. This is probably the least used. It involves hiring a private car that will pick you up somewhere at the airport. You'll arrange with a private car to come pick you up. The most popular one, or the one that I've used before, is Klook. You download the Klook app, reserve a car, and make arrangements for them to pick you up, usually on the arrivals floor, this floor here, second floor. It does give you the flexibility to choose the type of car that you want or that you need. So if you have somebody that needs a certain type of car, Klook or a private car might be the choice to go with. The second type of transportation I'm going to talk about today is ride-hailing apps. So you may be familiar with Uber. Unfortunately, Uber does not operate in Thailand. So the main choices are Grab, Taxi, and Bolt. You'll notice that the Bolt application is much cheaper than the Grab application. I'll put up a screen capture from my phone. This would be a trip from where I'm at now, Ratchathani neighborhood, to Suvarnabhumi. You'll see that economy is 278 baht. And if I over to my Grab app here, you'll see that Grab car, which is equivalent, is 490 baht. So quite a bit of a difference there. Both applications work the same. The driver would pick you up at the departures level on level 2 and would take you to your destination. The next mode of transportation we'll be looking at is public taxi. So we'll go down one level to level 1.
So you come out here on entrance 4. On your left here, you'll see the taxi stand.
You can also use entrance 7. The taxi stand will be on your right hand side.
Your map for short term. Over here. So today we'll take a regular taxi. You follow the line here, and you'll come to a booth where you get a ticket. This is one of the booths here. You'll see a kiosk. You hit the get ticket button. Pick up your ticket here. Alright, so you get a lane number and you go to that lane and you pick up your taxi.
So the last mode of transportation we're going to be talking about is taking the airport rail link. So you can take the airport rail link from Suvarnabhumi airport and connect it into any of the other mass public transit systems that Bangkok has. So the SRT, MRT, BTS. First thing we got to do is get down to the basement.
The basement now. We're at the entrance of the airport link. There's a bunch of booths here. You have to pick up your tickets at one of these booths. we will we'll have a look at what one looks like right here. So you come up to the terminal, hit English, you pick where you want to go, how many people, and pay. Pick up your tokens. Change. So you grab your token and you come to the gate here. And you just tap on the thing here. And the gate will open for you. Go through, and you're good to go. There might be somebody here that might want to check your bags. Airport Link is one of the more popular ways to get from Suvarnabhumi to downtown Bangkok. It runs between 5:30 a.m. and 12 midnight. Trains depart every 10 to 11 minutes. The first station on our journey is Lat Krabang. You'll see mostly local Thais getting on at this stop. The next stop on our journey is Ban Tap Chang. Hua Mak is our next stop. Station A5, Ramkhamhaeng. Station A6 is Makasan. From Makasan, you can connect to the MRT, transferring over to the Phetchaburi MRT station. The next station on our journey is Ratchaprop. The last stop on our journey is Payathai. From Payathai station, you can connect to the BTS Sukhumvit line. I'll show you how to do that by buying a ticket to the Siam station. When you're leaving the terminal, ticket again, put your coin in here, let you out this way. Instead of going left, okay, so you can come take this way. Instead of taking the escalator inside, you can actually make a right turn here and go down these stairs right here. You'll beat the crowd. Everybody else will go on the other side. All right, everyone, here's a little tip for you. We're here at Payathai station now. As you can see, it's really busy. A lot of people. You're gonna have to line up here. Instead of actually going through all of this mess here, you wanna take a walk down the exit here. Here you go. Really quick walk down on the other side. As you can see, there's actually nobody here. There's a machine over there, not being used. There's a machine here. You can go grab your ticket to the BTS. You're good to go. So now that we're here at Payathai station, what we want to do is we want to get to Siam. Take English there. Click on Siam, and then actually click on the Siam button. 25 baht from here. Put your money in and take your token. Just like how I showed you at the airport link. Thanks. Hey YouTube. Thanks for sticking around this long. If you found anything useful in this video, hit the like button, really helps my channel. I put out 1 to 2 videos a week about my time here in Thailand, working remotely, how-to guides, travel tips. So think about subscribing, it will really help me out. Until the next one, peace. Peace.